Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me, Sloth. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all, personal finance. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone looking to take control of your money, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for our latest new tips notifications. First things first, what exactly is personal finance? Personal finance refers to managing your money, including budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. It's about making informed decisions to help you achieve your financial goals, whether buying a home, saving for retirement, or simply living debt-free. Let's talk about budgeting, one of the most crucial aspects of personal finance. A budget is a plan that helps you allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Categorize your spending into fixed expenses, like rent, and variable expenses, like entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Next up is saving money. It's essential to have a savings plan in place. Aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. Establish an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses to prepare for unexpected situations, like medical emergencies or job loss. Remember, saving isn't just about putting money aside, but building your financial security. Every little bit counts, so start small if you need to. Now, let's discuss debt. Not all debt is bad, but it's essential to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like student loans or a mortgage, can help build your future. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can weigh you financially. If you have existing debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest rates. Finally, let's touch on investing. Consider investing your money once you've established a budget and savings plan. Investments can help grow your wealth over time. Explore options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. The earlier you start investing, the more you can take advantage of compound interest. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research or consult a financial advisor if needed. To recap, personal finance is all about controlling your money through budgeting, saving, understanding debt, and investing. It may seem overwhelming at first, but taking small steps can lead to significant changes in your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What personal finance tips do you want to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies to empower your financial journey.